everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to log into First Premier credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. Start by opening any web browser you want in order to log in. In the URL box, type in First Premier credit card login and press the enter on your keyboard. From the numerous of search results displayed, click on the very first link that says Login Premier Bank Card. You'll be taken to its official website where you can log into your account soon after you do that. Now, in order to log in, you can go and enter your login information in the box that is located at the right hand side. Enter your login ID first and move on to the next field to enter your password. Once you type in the password, you can double check your password in case you've typed it incorrect or not. In case you've forgotten your login ID, go and click on Forgot Username or Password link at the bottom. Similarly, if you forgot your password, click on the same link and follow the instructions so that you can retrieve your username back or reset your password to a new one. If you don't have an account yet, then you can go and click on Set up Online Access in the box, or you can simply click on Open Your Account. After you do that, you'll need to enter your information and sign up to an account first so that you can log into your account easily by entering your credentials in this box. After you're done with it, click on Login button and you'll be logged into Premium Credit Card account in just a minute. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.